today working on the 530 Fizzle, you feel me? So here it is. And we're doing the front and rear brakes. Front and rear brakes are pretty much done. Once I do that, then I'm gonna bleed the brakes again, and we'll go from there. Take it out for a drive. I still got to get the steering rack and figure all that out, but we'll get there when we get there. But in the meantime, we're gonna do the brakes. So I want to start fixing all the little minor stuff before I get major. So minor then major. Let's get it. So first things first, what I'm going to do is 2 bolts back here. There's one behind here under this cover. Right back there. There's one right here under this cover. So now, like I said, those 2 screws, I got those off in the back. Now you're gonna take this clip, just down like that. Watch out with your face though, pimpin'. Get that out, like such. Just like a little rope. I know they tie it like around a control arm or something like that. But aggressive with it, Sean. You gotta be a little more aggressive with it, Sean. So that wasn't the problem. Then what I do, let's see. Alright, so they sent me the right brake, as in size and all that, right? But they sent me the wrong brake because they got this on here. And this won't clear the caliper. So what I'm gonna do, get my Dremel and cut these 2 and then flatten it down and then put it on there. We shouldn't have no problems. So I gotta do that for both sides. Yeah, make it fit. Instead of me shipping it back, going through all that. Just get the Dremel, cut both sides on both sides, and voila. So let me get to that now. I'll get it. And there you have it. There you have it. That's how you get those off. Now back to the brake installation. Alright, then you want to get that, get the brake, put it like that. You feel me? Before I gotta do that, I gotta put some grease on there. I forgot about that. You don't have to put the grease, but the grease is optional. I'm gonna put the grease anyway. Hold up. Now I got that taken care of. Now we're gonna clean the brakes. Spray some brake cleaner on the rotor. Get all that damn dust off. all that grime, all that dirt up. And now you get that, you just twist. All right, so now you've seen how I use my wood trick. Now I got that all done. Now what I'm gonna do is put this in. Homie's pulling up, bumping, you know what I'm saying? All right, then when that's on there, you on the slide. Put that in there like that. So that's gonna be in there. You see the brake? Hi, y'all. Hear this nigga over here, y'all? Check this out, man. I got the 2 screws in now, and bam. So what I did was, I fought it on. After I fought it on, I put those 2 in. Now those lined up. I'm pretty much golden. I just gotta finish screwing the bolts in and do all that stuff, but I pretty much got the base part set down. I still got that in the support, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna unscrew that and untie it under that. So it'll take me a little break, and then I'm gonna get back at y'all. So yeah, then you put all that on. I had those 2 screws on. Tighten them down. 1, 2. Then there's 2 more right there. 1 right there, 1 right there. Tighten those down. 1, 2. All 4 bolts are back in and tighten down the torque down. Brake pads are on. We're ready to go. Now I just gotta do the other side, and I'm gonna do the back. And then, yeah, man, we getting there. We getting there. So we got this side done. Next up is the other side. So let me get that and get it cracking, y'all. What I don't see people posting videos about is the clip. Put that like that, put that like that. Right? Right. While it's running. Of course, when I'm looking for a hammer. I'm looking for a hammer. I can't find it. So I need this little chop. There you go. There it is. So now the clip's in. And there you have it, the clip. Clip's installed, brakes are on, everything is tightened down. Now I just gotta put the wheels on. And I have brand new front brakes. Alright y'all, so I'm on the other side, and it started raining on me, so I had to speed the process up, so I got the rotor off. Then I ended up taking the 4 bolts off, and then as I took the 4 bolts off, I discovered something. I took those off, then the 2 bolts that go in the back, right here, that holds this up. So what I did is I put the brake pad back on, put this back on, tighten up those two to make sure it was lined up and right. Once I did that, I got this brake pad, slide that up there, and you just slide it on top of the rotor. Now I can't do both at the same time, so I'm gonna slide that on, then I'm gonna holler back at y'all, all right? Yeah, so it started raining again majorly. Look at that. And I finally got to get the clip on. I was trying to figure that out. Got the clip on. Got all 4 bolts on, everything tightened down. I got the brake sensor on. So this side is done. Ready for the tire to go on. Then the other. Alright, so there you have it. Your boy's done. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing my thing, you know what I'm saying? And it's going down, you know? Got that done. So now I'll probably reverse it, do the backs real quick. Let's tighten up, cool. Now I probably just back it up, reverse it, do the rears real quick, and then call it a day, man. So let me hop on that real quick. What's cracking lacking? I came, I saw, I did not conquer today, but I will conquer another day because it's getting dark out here. And I gotta put my computer on there so I can release the rear brakes, put it in service mode. So I don't have time to do that. It's about to get dark. It's already 4 o'clock, about to be 5. So I got it done and running on the front. So the front brakes are done. Everything's replaced. Everything's good. Stops good. Does all that. And then next time I'm gonna do the rear, and I'm gonna bleed the system again. So should be fun. Should be fun. But as for now, yeah, man, we just got the front brakes done. Gonna do the rears next. Put the computer on it. Do all that. Yeah, man, she sounds good though. She's running. Sounding good, so you know, I'll call that a wrap for today, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.